Hi guys, and there's one for you, Bob Boats. There's a lot of effort gone into that little fishing boat, look Bob. Anyway, I'm going to look around. This is where Ericbusa's gone today. It's a lovely little place called Woodbridge. It's in Suffolk. And we're just here. Going to go and get ourselves a nice cup of coffee in a minute. So I'm just going to show you a bit of a pan round. It's a lovely little place, Woodbridge in Suffolk. There we go, catch you later. Just got to show you this. There's a 2 grand boat, but it's only 595 quid. But anyway, I want to show you this one. Have a look at that, Bob. That's a nice boat, isn't it? Look at that. 2,225 quid, if you're interested.